Hey, James.
Hey, Dad, do you see the red light?
I see it.
Are we live?
We are.
We're live! James Doyle here in James Doyle's garage. First thing I want to do is give a giant shout out to my village and the community of guys that helped me. After I made this plasma cutting video recently, my buddy Steve pointed out to me that I should have been grinding the paint before I cut it. Something I overlooked. But this might seem like a minor thing, but it's a big deal to me when you got guys like Steve and everyone else in my community that are constantly giving me advice and helping me improve things. It's much appreciated. Now, first thing I want to talk about here is the milling machine upgrades that I'm doing. Or I shouldn't say upgrades, but restoration of my dad's old milling machine. It's like almost as old as my dad's, like 400 years old. Anyways,
thanks, buddy.
Whoever made WD-40, you're a saint. Because this product has been absolutely amazing to clean up all the old parts of the milling machine
really
to restore it back to its former glory. It's cool because I was able to use it in the gearing here, and in these threads here, and this gearing here as well, to be able to clean it up and restore it. And also, I had this plastic fitting that was attached to this unit that goes in here, and this plastic fitting over time with use eventually broke. So what me and my dad did was we were able to build an upgraded version of it with the milling machine using aluminum, and it was cool because my dad was able to help me out. My dad was showing me how to use the milling machine and get better with it.
I was on the lathe.
Or sorry, lathe. Yes, that's what I meant. But yeah, my dad was helping me use the lathe to figure it out, and I'm learning, so it's cool. Thanks, Dad.
You're welcome.
And the other gizmo I want to talk about is this mechanical, or okay, here, listen to me. This rig that I made for the press.
It's a gizmo.
Yeah, it's a gizmo.
I'm gonna write on that gizmo.
Listen to my English slurring all over the place. But this is a gizmo I made for the press machine here. It's good. We were gonna pick one up, but we thought we might as well make one with angle iron. So this was pretty good.
Let me show the end of that. That's pretty straightforward. That's for
and it's great because we'll be able
breaking things, so it's good.
Exactly, we'll be able to put that in there, so that'll be good.
Good.
But anyways, I just want to talk about these few things. But for now, I want to thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys a little bit later. Bye bye.